Hello everybody, welcome to my English YouTube channel, and today's video will be recorded here on this amazing landmark of Curitiba city. Have you ever wondered how could it be to translate this scenario for you in English? So neither did I, but today I challenge myself and I will try to show everything in English. Let's dive into this amazing museum, which is well known as the Museum of Eye, which in Portuguese would be Museu Oscar Niemeyer. Have you ever heard about it? Would like to come here? So I will try to show everything I can about it. So let's dive into it. To get started, today's video will be only to show you some surroundings of the museum, because we are not allowed to dive into, because without payment you can't get the tickets. So that is the first tip for you. Are you planning to visit the Museum Oscar Niemeyer? You totally need to understand that it's not everything for free. You needed to pay, you needed to buy a ticket to join it. This ticket will cost you 36 reais, which is not so much. And if you are a student, you can pay the half part of the ticket, which will be 16 reais. And look, you can have the access of the whole presentations they are doing there. But if you do not have money to do it, you don't need to get scared or to give up to come here, because there are many other activities that you can come here to do it, and all those activities I will show you will be for free. Okay, so don't miss any type of this video. Don't forget to click on the like button, and let's know this amazing museum together, because it's my first time here too. Just curiosity for you here. This place was projected in 1967, but it only becomes a museum of natural history or some other artists here in 2002. So before that, it was used as so many government secretaries, many government places to help the city to work, you know. There were lots of offices, like a culture officer, like a safety officer, and so many officers were using this place in order to have these people working here. So it was like a huge government build, but now it's the whole area changed into a museum. And again, we're gonna like it, because I already take you around here and I saw it was a very beautiful place to record this video. That's why I'm recording here. So let's dive into, again, let's continue this visit. And right here on the entrance of this amazing museum, you can find two ways to go. If you take the right one, you can go to the ticket place, where you can buy your tickets to join the presentations that they are doing here. But if you go left side, you can go to this amazing edification that we have here. So let's dive in, let's know together. I will take the right way, and let's see what we can find there down there. After you took the right side, you can face this amazing piece of art, like the right side here of us. And we're gonna go there just to see what is that like, and then we're gonna go to the park that we have here near the museum. So are you liking this? Don't forget to click on the like button on the video and share this with your friends. So let's continue our tour. Guys, this whole time that I live in Curitiba, which means since my whole life, I was born here in the city, I never knew that this place was more than a museum. At least I thought it was like a place, a board place, because I'm not so much into museums. If you are, let me know in the comments below. But I thought that it was only some place to see arts, gallery arts, and so many other things regarded to it. But it's not true. Here at the Museum of Eye, which means Museu Oscar Niemeyer in Brazil, which is well known as MON, M-O-N, you know. There are many other things to do outside. Like, look, we are here, which seems to be like a park where you can come with your dog, with your family, with your loved ones, and spend the whole afternoon, the whole day, and maybe have a picnic or so many other things. And that is quite interesting because it's changed a little bit my vision of museums. You know, museums is to be a place to learn something new or to see some others' job, others' art. But that is not all that Museum Oscar Niemeyer or MON has to offer. So if you are wondering, would you like to come here? I can't answer it properly that, yeah, totally you're gonna love it to come. But unfortunately, as you can see, I was told by the security team that I can't record videos on the within the build. I can only record videos outside of it because, you know, they want to preserve the place and the curiosity of the people that would like to come here. So I agree, and I'm just recording here outside. But that's all for today, guys. I just would like to tell you that it was a pleasure to be here, recording this video for you. Hope you like it. Hope you subscribe to our channel.